Hello viewers, are you experiencing a settings needs your review error problem on Instagram? Actually, this is not a problem with your account. Instagram is simply asking you to review your settings. Once you review that settings, the issue will be resolved. To review that settings, click on review settings option. After click on review settings, here you can see two options. From here, you have to select a settings. But now the question is, why do you have to do these settings? When you browse the internet, visit online shops, or use other mobile apps, those companies often share your activity with Meta. Meta wants to know if they're allowed to use that tracking data to decide what kind of post reels and content to recommend to you when you're browsing in Instagram. That's why Instagram is asking you to review these settings. If you select the first option, then Instagram analyzes the information provided by all those apps and websites, and then Instagram will show ads and content according to your interest. But if you do not want to do this, then you can select second option. After selecting any option of your choice, click on confirm option. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.